Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the Canon EOO 40000 error code on your printer, you're in the right place. This pesky error often pops up in 2025 models and can really disrupt your printing routine. In this video, we'll break it down step by step, what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the EOO 40000 error? It typically signals an issue with your printer's fixing unit, which is responsible for heating and fusing toner onto paper. This error often relates to overheating or a malfunction in the fuser assembly, which could lead to poor print quality or the printer shutting down entirely. Don't worry, understanding this is the first step to resolving it. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The main culprits include paper jams that aren't cleared properly, a buildup of dust or debris in the printer's internal components, faulty thermistors that regulate temperature, or even worn-out parts in the fuser unit. Sometimes, it's as simple as the printer not cooling down between jobs, especially if you're printing a lot of pages back-to-back. If you've recently moved your printer or exposed it to extreme temperatures, that could be a factor too. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by turning off your Canon printer and unplugging it from the power source. Wait about 10 minutes to let it cool down completely. This is crucial to avoid any risks. Next, open the printer and carefully check for any paper jams. Remove any stuck paper gently, making sure not to tear it. Once that's done, use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the rollers and the area around the fuser unit. If you're comfortable, you can reset the printer by holding down the power button for 10 seconds while it's unplugged. If the error persists, it might be time for more advanced troubleshooting. Update your printer's firmware through Canon's official website, as they release fixes for common errors. If that doesn't work, the issue could be with a hardware component like the thermistor or fuser assembly. In that case, contact Canon support or a professional technician. Remember, always handle your printer with care to prevent further damage. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish the EOO 40000 error and get back to printing smoothly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.